Good morning. My name is Kent Teslo. I'm here with Optimum RV. This morning I'm going to show you the Flagstaff SE hard-sided A-frame folding pop-up trailer. This model is the Flagstaff 12RBSSE. As you can see, it's got fiberglass sides, the A-frame design, folding design, has diamond plate to protect the bottom, has aluminum alloy wheels, outdoor stereo, here's all your extras that come with it. There's your propane storage cover, has a booth seating arrangement for eating. Here's your bed for sleeping, your sink, refrigerator and stovetop. There's your microwave, AC. Everything you need for primitive beginner camping. Once again, my name's Kent from Optimum RV. You can reach me at 352-363-8615 or view more at www.optimumrv.com.